Hi and welcome to the first episode in the series, The HomeKit Show. In this first episode, we'll be covering all the latest news from HomeKit for this week and also touching on some of the videos and channels to check out. Hi, welcome back. My name's John from HomeKit Authority, and this channel is dedicated to everything HomeKit. So if you're not already subscribed, then hit the subscribe button and also the bell button to be notified when new videos come out. So in this first episode of the HomeKit Show, we'll be taking you through the weekly news from HomeKit. This is starting with the new Eve app that has been launched this week, along with some information around the Eve Cam. We'll also be touching on new details about the Ikea Smart blinds and available countries and some information there. We'll also be giving you some news on the eufy indoor camera, which has been made pre-order this week. Also, we'll be touching on my top picks for HomeKit channels and HomeKit videos to watch out for and to check out. So let's get into the video and start with the first news. So starting off with news around the Eve app and also the Eve Cam. So the Eve app has been updated to 4.2. And the general update is that you'll be able to use custom room images and accessory icons. You'll also be able to share these settings across your iOS devices using iCloud Sync. And now in terms of the image that you can use a default preset from a gallery offered within the app, or you can use your camera or your photo library to create an image for that room. You can also change the room to be designated to indoor or outdoor and change the color of the text that describes the room. So the company has integrated camera support into the screen for those specific rooms. It also has an overview page of all your cams and lets you pause or resume live streams so you can see all the cameras at once. And you also can bring these to full screen and view them within the Eve app, which I think is a really good feature. Now, in terms of the Eve Cam, the company has said that the Eve Cam will be coming at the end of May. Now the price is $149 and available in the EU, UK and the US. Now the camera is built to work exclusively with HomeKit Secure Video and it is designed to work with the Eve app as well. Now what this camera does, it effectively works with the HomeKit Secure Video, so it means that nothing is recorded locally or saved in any cloud other than Apple's secure servers, which is a great win for privacy. Next up is the latest information on the Ikea Smart blinds. Now these are Ikea's affordable HomeKit enabled smart blinds. Now these are been available in Europe for a number of months now, and I did a full review of these and you can check out in the video coming above and also in the description below. The blinds have been available in the US for some time, but only available in retail stores. But starting this week, they're also now available online in various different sizes for delivery. So this is great news in the current lockdown situation. The other interesting news is they're also available in Australia, both online and in store. But the even better news is both versions are available. So the blackout version and the shade version, which are available in Europe but are not available in the US. So this is great news that Ikea are expanding their HomeKit enabled smart blinds to other countries and offering them online so they can sell them to customers. Now finally, the biggest news in HomeKit this week is the launch of the eufy indoor cameras. They're available pre-order with delivery towards the end of May. Now the cameras come in two different versions. They come in a pan and tilt version and they also come in a non-tilt version. Now they both offer 2K resolution, HomeKit support and onboard storage. They also work with the eufy app and they've also got activity zones so you can customize the zones that the camera is detecting motion. They've also got smart audio detection, so if it detects a baby crying or certain noises, then you'll be able to be alerted to this and the camera will start recording. With the pan and tilt version, you'll be able to move around the camera lens in order to observe your room. One of the really interesting features, it will come with motion tracking. So if it detects motion, the camera will automatically follow the motion subject and also record and send you an alert. This is a really interesting feature and I can't wait to check them out. Now they offer 2K resolution and they offer a variety of different other features. But the biggest news with these is the price of them. They're $39.99 or $49.99. But currently at the time of recording this video, there is a discount of up to 35%. The links are in the description below, but you want to try and snap them up now because they're soon to sell out. Now, eufy have said that HomeKit support will be coming available at launch, but also HomeKit Secure Video will also be available later on in the year. Now, this is a US only release to start with, but UK, Europe, and the rest of the world are expected to see these cameras later on in 2020. I will be doing a review once these cameras arrive, so don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Now, moving on to my recommended videos and content creators to watch. First up is one of my favorites, which is Shane from Shane Creates. Now, this channel is dedicated to affordable HomeKit and comes out with videos every Sunday. Now, his latest video is working from home, Smarthome automations, and it shows you how to get the best out of working from home using HomeKit automations, and there's some great tips in there. So it's worth checking out that video to find out more. The next creator to check out is Modern Day Tech. Now, he's got a channel which is dedicated to HomeKit and Smarthome. He's got some great videos on there and he's been going for a long time, so he's certainly someone to check out if you're new into HomeKit or if you're already in HomeKit and you want some inspiration, then check out his videos. His latest video is the VocaLink Power Strip, and he takes you through an in-depth look at how this performs and whether it's worth buying it. So you want to check that video out if you're thinking about buying one of these devices, because it's certainly a great video. Next up is Chris Young from HomeKit Geek. And now this is another channel that is relatively dedicated to HomeKit, but he also does some other smart home stuff. And he offers some great inspiration if you're looking for new HomeKit ideas. Now, his latest video is about the Life XX tiles, which is a review of how they work and how to use them. So if you're thinking again about buying this product, this is a great video to find out whether this product is for you, and it's certainly a channel that I would recommend. And now finally, this is a plug for our own website, HomeKit Authority, which has got the latest HomeKit news and reviews. You might want to check that out as it's updated every day with all the latest information and HomeKit news, reviews and tutorials. So guys, thanks very much for watching the first installment of the HomeKit Show. Hopefully you've liked it. If you have, give me a thumbs up. If you've got any questions or comments or suggestions of how we can add more content into this show, then leave it in the description below. Also, don't forget to subscribe and check out the rest of the channel for HomeKit news, reviews and tutorials. Thank you very much. I'll speak to you soon.